Hi, my name is Thompson and welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. I'm going to be customizing my shoes. They're just white, regular, degular, schmegular, everyday trainers, but I reckon I could do something with them. So my main inspiration came from the flowers in my garden. I kind of like the blue ones and the purple ones. I found out that they're called grape hyacinths. So we're going to try and create that kind of flower on these shoes. Or, you know, just any old painted looking flower. Flowers are cool, flowers are pretty. Who doesn't want flowers on their shoes? You get the idea. Hello. Alright, so I'm just sort of gonna see how it goes. I'm going to try and draw the flower that I drew the other day. But if it works, it works. If it doesn't, that's just it. I've got paint, I've got Sharpies. The paint is actually face paint because that's all I had. And yeah, watch me paint. Okay, so this is a mistake. This was a big mistake. I didn't realize that you need to wipe off the top layer of the shoe with acetone so that the paint or the Sharpie can stick to the shoe better. So this is just gonna be me struggling to make my Sharpie stick. I tried to use paint over the Sharpie to create a gradient effect, mainly just to disguise the poor Sharpie coloring in job that I'd done. Okay, so this is our halftime update. It was going wrong and I don't know if I've saved it. It looks okay. So I'm just going to paint the flowers on now and see how that goes. Hopefully it turns out nice. Can you hear that? So I ended up removing the grape hyacinths because they just kind of looked a bit ugly on the shoes. Instead I just outlined the flowers that I already had, and if that wasn't enough, why not get the bedazzler out? Why not just gem this up? I've been on a roller coaster of emotions with these shoes. I'm not really sure what to make of them. They kind of remind me of the shoes I wish I had when I was 12, but we'll see. I think they're pretty cute. I think they're kind of cute. I think they're okay.